Check this thing out. See that? That is like about 100 feet off the water. I'm thinking that's a drone because the UFOs never go there. My man Mohican is right here. See that? He'll stay here. He'll follow me. Oh, and here comes a drone right here. And I'm pretty sure that's a drone right there in the left-hand corner, top. I'm seeing him. You see that flash? What the fuck, man? See him coming this way? He's just above the water. And they're both right there. The one up here is moving. And then the one down at the bottom. Let me unzoom so I can get them both. So these are two drones coming at us simultaneously. And Mohican's right there. So the one drone is underneath Mohican at the 8 o'clock. That's Mohican on top. And then you got this guy down below. You see him flashing? They're coming right underneath Mohican. Look at this guy's colors now. What the fuck, man? Let me zoom in a little bit more. See that? That is how I know. Mohican's cool. He's right here at the UFO. And then you got this guy way below him. Oh, look, he's going invisible mode. I just walked out my backyard. Isn't that cool as shit? I mean, it's just like a burst of energy or something. I wish I could get a tripod, but it would just be moving around if these guys move around too much. See, look, he's in that ball. He's moving all over the place. I'm looking down now. That's the other side of the lake. There's Mohican staying in invisible mode. And then that's it. That's it for the night. It's a short little video. There's another drone, but that's okay. Alright, Mohican over and out. Thank you for doing that for me. See that? Isn't that fucking wild? What the fuck is that? Okay. Okay, look at this guy right above. I'm in the front yard now. I can't get him. He should be right there. Yeah, there he is. I got him. This is right in my front yard now. What the fuck, man? And here's one directly over my house. But look how Mohican's moved. He's closer to me now. I've walked like about a football field away. And he's followed me. See that? That's another UFO. And another UFO. This is number 4 of the night. And I believe that's one right over my head. But look how Mohican, he's not over the lake anymore. He's over a tree. Don't tell me he's not following me. So anyways, this is from the front yard. The other half of this video was from the backyard. And you can see how he's moved. So, okay, over and out. Thank you for watching, guys.